Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 June 2018, 13 of hour, 09 of minute and 50 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how long does a Mac battery last before replacement? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how long does a Mac battery last before replacement. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how long does a Mac battery last before replacement. The built-in battery of your MacBook, MacBook Pro or MacBook Air is designed to deliver up to 1,000 full charge and discharge cycles before it reaches 80% of its original capacity. In addition, adaptive charging reduces the wear and tear on the battery, giving it a lifespan of up to 5 years. Last update August 20, 2012. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.